guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm so emotionally drained. I am so emotionally drained, and I actually wanted to post this vlog on Sunday, but I'm traveling, so I was like, you know what, I won't have space. And guys, I was showing you guys that I bought cabbage, and I mistakenly bought this 7 kg potatoes. I did an online delivery from Pick and Pay. I didn't drive out because I was so lazy, and I chose big potatoes. And when they arrived, I was like, "Hey boy, 7 kg, amazambani, njani?" But I'm not complaining. We're having hot chips nomdanam. So I was just adding some few things that are not in the house. Amaras Kulubanzi loves them so much, so there was just no way I'm not gonna get them. But nonetheless, guys, I wanna start this vlog. And I just wanted to say, Uba yo sana, I'm emotionally drained. This week has been a lot for me emotionally. Like ndikhathele. Yo guys. As in, I feel like it's gonna be not a venting vlog like the previous one, but there's just a lot of yapping again, and I'm like, oh, I'm so over it. Can we just go back to normal? Like honestly. Also, I was craving traditional food, so ndapeka guys, cabbage, and I was craving this food, guys. Oh, it was so nice. Scrum. Yum yum. But the following day I decided, no, I think it's the same day, guys, and disaster. If you're on my Instagram, yo azana disaster lamagwinya. They were not that bad, but yeah, no, it was my first time, so I'm sure next time there's about right way too. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. And yeah, yabona mama gwinya mahle. Oh, ndawachisa. Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongyazo, but you can call me City Mom because I'm a mother of 3 handsome boys. To my new service, thank you so much for joining the family. And if you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. Really appreciate it. So guys, I've put my body lotion and stuff. I don't know if you learned body lotion or like at this point, I don't know, but I love it. I love it so much. So guys, I want to go to the salon, Johannesburg South, to do my hair. I want to do braids because it's winter, and for me braids last. Because now when I do braids, I don't do them for like a week or two. No, I stay like a month, full month with my braids. So I need a hairstyle enjalo ezohlala that long. Yeah. So I know I have that week hair braids, but I don't want into ezohlala for 1 week. And the installation is out, it's 600. My braids are 600, 700. So I might as well do the ones that will last. Yeah. So anyway, guys, what are we doing on this vlog? We are going home. If you've been here, you know that holidays Okuhle comes to Joburg, so we need to fetch him. I haven't decided if we're driving down or we're booking a flight, and then we fly back with him. But it's that time. Lubanzi, it's that time where guys, Lubanzi. Anyway, if you're new here, I'm a mother of three boys. So Jay, this little one is stressing me. But anyway, guys, I was giving you guys an update that we're going home, and I need to fetch the other one so that he can come spend time with me for the holidays. And then yeah, so let's fix myself. Let's fix my hair and everything, and then we go home. This is how you spray it. By the way, I sell perfume. If you still want to register, please holla at your girl. I have people under me now who are registered, who wants to. Guys, this perfume smells nice. It is inspired by Pepe. Oh, it smells so good. Like the people who want to buy, because I've made another stock now for the people abafuna ukuthenga abalapha eJoburg, I'm definitely gonna recommend this one, guys. If you've been here, there's a perfume that I want to recommend, and not this one. Ugh, let me go fetch it. This perfume, guys, and I've recommended this perfume to people and I plugged them. I said, guys, get this perfume, you won't regret this one. It's also a dupe, by the way. I've got another dupe. Hey, yeah, guys, anyway, guys, let me go. So I'm gonna plug them with this. I was saying I'm gonna plug the people who want to buy with this perfume because it smells really, really, really good. It smells so nice. Guys, with my last post, my previous video, I just realized that people are very observant. People keep quiet, not because they don't see, but people because they respect you and they watch your channel because they love you, not because bafuna ukuthetha indaba or baze ngochuku. But once you start talking and open up about something, then people will be like, oh, we noticed, we saw, like people are so observant. I'm shocked. I am shocked at how observant people are. I'm shocked. I am really, really shocked at how observant you guys are. But also, I just love and appreciate the fact that you guys keep quiet and keep it moving. Just like me, I keep quiet and I keep it moving. But again, guys, as much as I keep quiet and I keep it moving, there will come a time where I'll address something because I'm just that person. I don't mind addressing it. It's just that it needs, I need to be ready mentally, physically, and kumele ngibe ready to ukhuluma something. Otherwise, I'm mind because angisabumuntu. It's just that I choose to keep quiet because I don't like drama. But if I'm pushed that far, then I will. And also, guys, I've realized that in life we experience people differently. You would find that there's someone out there who thinks that Lubanzi's dad is a catch. Like this person feels like bawine lotho ngokuthandana notata kaLubanzi. You know why? Because probably Tata kaLubanzi is treating that person good, is treating that person better than how he treated me. He's probably taking care of the baby, and that girl feels like, yo, ndifumene indoda edala ndithandazela kuThixo. Yet mna on the other side, with my experience, I feel like he's a horrible person. He's an evil person. I don't wish him well. Like, because of how he treated me. So abantu asiba experiencing ngendlela ezifanayo. You might sit there and say, no, this person is not like this, because you were lucky to experience them ngendlela owam-experienca ngayo. Bakuhlonipha, bakuthanda, bakutreata kahle. You have nothing bad to say about this person because of how they treated you. And I have something bad to say about this person because of how they treated me. So we experience people differently. And it ends there. We experience people differently. There's no other way of putting this. We experience people differently and it ends there. And unfortunately, if I come and say, you are evil and you're a horrible person, that's what you showed me. That's how you treated me. That's what I experienced when it comes to you. Hence, I'm making an example with Tata kaLubanzi. I've never said anything good about that guy. That's what I experienced. But I'm 100% sure there's someone out there who's praying for him to live, to have money, to have success. He's a good person, he's a good father to my child because he has other kids. So there's probably someone who has a different story, but unfortunately I don't have the same story with that person because people they're different. They treat people differently, and not all of us are like that. I'm a reciprocator. I do what you do. If you're nice to me, I'm nice to you. If you a bad person to me, I'll probably be a bad person to you. Like I treat how you treat me. I reciprocate energy. But then some energies you feel like, no, but this is not me. Can this person be a horrible person alone? Because that is not my character. That's when you cut and let go. Yeah, but we experience people differently, and I just realized that people are very, very observant, and yeah, people are not stupid. People are watching, but they're not stupid. They can see things. They're just quiet because, I mean, some people do have manners and they respect your space, even though you are in a public space, but they still respect your space. I hope I'm making sense with this explanation. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm wearing my City Mom hoodie. It's winter. If you've been here, you remember these hoodies. If you are new, I have a clothing brand. It's called City Mom. We're luxury, we're comfort meets we're luxury meets comfort. Yeah, I will brand that much. But anyway, this is my brand. So for those who are new, if you don't know, I sell clothes, I sell pinafores, I sell dresses, I sell perfumes. I have a company, owns the whole thing, Zienza Matenda, based in Eastern Cape. Hence, you never see me talk about it here at Joburg because it's only based in Eastern Cape. Zienza Matenda say Eastern Cape. So yeah, guys, that's about it. My intros are usually very long now. Like, girl! My intros are usually very, very long and I don't like it for myself. But guys, let's go because I'm already late and I'm yapping and do my nails, my hair, and then we'll come back and then we'll continue with this vlog. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't skip the ads. And yeah, guys, please subscribe. If you are not yet subscribed, please check if you are subscribed. Ha! Guys, please check if you are subscribed to my channel. Please, it's free. Guys, guys, I think I'm gonna carry this perfume. Okay, I'm loading up this bag because, guys, this bag is a neat. Like, every mommy needs to have this bag, right? Asikolab. I want to put this perfume. I wanna sell it in the salon. I wanna promote it as salon. Yes, I wanna sell it to the people in salon and find people to find. What do I want? I was saying find people to register, guys. Anyway, let me pack this bag. Guys, I'm done. My mirror is so dirty. So I'm wearing this tracksuit from, did I buy it at H&M? Guys. And I feel like I never gain weight. Okay, I do gain weight, but I diet, guys, go 80 something. 8, and I've shared this even when I'm pregnant. I've never been 90 kgs in my life. I carry my pregnancy so well. So the way as in Dalanga corner is the tracksuit, I'm shocked about the sangena, but nonetheless, I'm done. I have everything Kalubanzi in here. This is how I look. I've explained about the top. And I bought the sneakers at Zara years back. Nas Zindal. But yeah, let's go. I'm gonna leave the washing machine ihlamba because I'm rushing. And then you're going to braid guys in Zohlala. So yeah, bye. Guys, we won with the belt today. We won with the belt. So, and now says Koshelis. But so we need get back to see Engile. So promise, sends my promises. I'm just here to say we won. Get back. Guys, I just ordered food, but Angimela. I don't know what KFC is celebrating. But yeah, let me just wait. Guys, I'm late. It's 11:42. I haven't started. I haven't. Angakafiki. Ngisase north, ngiya south. Ngiyokwenza ama braids no khali. Kuzoshaya 1 ingakaqali.
Mama.
just woke up. We slept so late yesterday. Like, I don't understand. I just woke up now. Did Luban's morning routines. Now I'm doing mine. So, but we haven't ate. I haven't even made his breakfast. But I'm done now. I'm halfway to everything. So yeah, I did my nails, guys. The bungut. As Utik Dudley would say, that all of us are bungut right now. Winter colors are up. So I did my nails and I did braids. Let me show you guys. I'm so lazy to take out this whole thing, but you guys are gonna see them anyways. I did my normal braids. As in look Zenza. So yeah, and I'm back. I'm shooting. I think I'm gonna try and get my phone back because I'm going home. So I don't wanna go home. I don't wanna go home with one phone. So I think I'm gonna take out that phone, the one that I'm fixing, guys. Also, I haven't decided if I want to drive down or fly down. I don't know. I'll see on Friday. I don't think I'm going down on Wednesday as well. I think I'm gonna, I don't know, guys. Also, not having a car at home in winter is on Boraklarle. It was okay last time when I was there and I didn't have a car. I was using public because, I mean, so right now it's cold and I don't have time to be using public. I don't have that time. And yeah, guys, I do know how to drive manual. I feel like people think I don't know how to drive manual. I do know how to drive manual. I don't like driving manual. Hence, I didn't buy manual from the word go. I do know how to drive it. And turned, I just don't like it. It's just too much admin for my liking. So I don't want it. When I was at driving school years back, doing a driving license, I knew that I'm not gonna buy. I will not start. My first car will not be manual. I knew then that because of like how much I hated it. I was like, oh, so much admin, Sana. There's no way. But yeah, I'm back. Why do I keep saying I'm back? Like, why do I keep saying I'm back as if I haven't been posting vlogs or like, I don't know. Guys, I'm not a morning person. Like, also, I'm not a morning person. Thank you to all 12,000 of you. Welcome to the family. Welcome. Thank you guys for joining the family. Yeah, thank you. I guess we'll do a get to know me video maybe one day when I get to 15,000 or 20,000. And I don't mind doing a get to know me video over and over again because I feel like people come into your channel and they don't know you, and and I've noticed that by some comments like, okay, she must be new because I've spoken about this, and so I've realized that doing a get to know me every time when the channel grows, there's nothing wrong with that. I know people who've been here probably bores them, but it's necessary. It's important for for people to know who you are, where you're from, what you do for a living, whatever, just to get everyone to speed, and by mass, who is this Ongezo. So I really don't mind, but I'm not gonna do it now. So yeah, guys, let's continue with our morning routine. And I just need to do green tea. I need to do green tea, make Lubanzi's breakfast, and yeah, we keep it moving. So I'll see you guys now. Or I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing today. I think I'm just gonna fetch my phone. I think I'm just gonna fetch that phone, and I did fix my car. There's nothing else that I need to do today. So yeah, I'll see you today, guys, or tomorrow. I don't know, but yeah, let's continue. I am fresh now, ready for my green tea, and yeah, look like bye. same color on my toes. We are just... Yes, baby. Guys, we are done. I'm wearing these shoes from Zara. Shein. This is my City Mom t-shirt. City Mom hoodie. This is different from the one from yesterday. Bainas Moaz. Le Ainas Moaz. So here and here, it's my brand. Shein. Zara. My never full bag. Oh, it makes masala kalubanzi. Namhlanje guys, niyambona? Like I don't know what kind of. Guys, let's go and run my errands. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, I need to call this guy. I've sent him the money to I've sent him the money, guys. So he said he's Lubanzi is fighting. So he said he's not in Joburg, right? So then but utels of Gangaboan sekbethe uthungu. I need to pick up the phone because I'm tired of this life of using this phone alone. But I'm gonna go to Checkers first and then go to Kawash because I don't wanna go with this car at home. Imtara, guys, it's really dirty, and I've decided I'm gonna drive down. So I need to go to the Kawash while I wait for him to tell me which sefikile or not, so that I can go to his office. I think it's in Renbeck, and go pick up my phone. Guys, when I came back, my phone was flooding with messages to go get to tell me, good Haibo, I okay. We sing, you posted. Oh, guys, like there's just so much going on, and Sana, here's a good anyone, but okay, we're not gonna talk about that thing anymore. Someone said I was threatening when I said I'm gonna post the things one day, and I'm like, no, I'm not threatening. It's not a threat. I said if there's a need for me to revisit the situation, I'll do that, but if there's no need, we keep it moving, guys. Like honestly, it's emotionally draining, mentally draining. Like it's draining me, and already right now with what is happening, I'm just like, this is just draining me. So I don't think I'll ever. It's not the plan to talk about it again and again and post what I said I would post, but I said if there's a need, then I'll do it. But it's fine. Let's keep it moving, guys. Let's just keep it moving. Asiqhubeke in life. Where are my keys for the gate? Asiqhubeke in life, guys. Some things will just drain your energy, your everything. So let's go buy this nigga's milk and take this car to the car wash. Obake is calling me. I'm gonna answer her now, and then go fetch my phone, and then that's it. So that my life can just go back to normal. It's payday today. YouTube, today is payday. Guys, please don't skip ads. Please, Riani Kupela, stop skipping ads. That's how we get paid on YouTube. Skip my ads. Guys, like honestly. But anyway, it's payday today. It is payday today on YouTube. Anyway, guys, we got paid today. Kamnandi kanjani? Thina guys sikhola kamandi. Guys, ngiyayithanda imali. Ngiyayithanda imali inkosi yami. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to say it's payday, and I just parted ways with 4,000 rand for my phone. But it's fine with you guys. Please don't skip the ads. Siyanicela guys, don't skip the ads. What? Bye guys, let me drive and stop yapping. I'm so lazy to go to the car wash. I'm done with Checkers.
Hi, mommy.
Hi baby, I got everything I need from Checkers.
Good.
Now I need to go sit at the car wash, and I'm like,
Good.
I am so lazy to sit at the car wash for 1 hour. This guy is still not here. He's still not back. So I don't know. I don't know whether I should just go home and call it a day or go to the car wash and delay. Another thing, he said that angadlula ishiye endlini because he's not a job work, so angadlula ithathe office yakhe azoyishiya endlini. And it's Tuesday today, right? Which means I still have Wednesday, Thursday to wash my car. So guys, let's go home. Like doing guys. Go. Kuyahlalwa ecar wash, kuyahlalwa ecar wash, and no. Ayibo, what am I doing? Kuyahlalwa guys ecar wash, so ngizobe ngiyibona. Let us go. And the more ngiyidrysela and not just do it, the more, because I have to, like, my car is really really dirty inside because of this one. But you know what? Hey, it's fine guys. Let's go home. So we'll see born, honestly. Hi guys, let's go run some errands. I'm wearing this set. I don't even like it, but my errands are serious. I'm not even gonna jump off the car. Woo! Hi Lubanzi. Hey guys, let's go. Guys, I have my phone back. Lubanzi, I have my phone back, guys. It's fixed. Oh, we're back in business. Hi guys, hi, I'm back home. I went to get Pinnifer's new stock, and then, which I think I'll show on my next vlog. And then I got my phone back, and yeah, and because of this phone, and you guys know the problem, space, whatever, I need to end this vlog so that I can start with that one. Now it's back. I don't like the quality of the screen because it's not original screen. He said the original screen is gonna be 7,800, and then this one is 4,000. And I felt like it's still better because if I took the phone to iStore, they were probably gonna charge me a whole lot of money because it's iPhone 15. Like I said, on this one, which is iPhone 13, I paid 8,000 at iStore. And guys, you know, iStore they charge you ngokuthi uzolungisa 16 or 15. Abakucharge ngokuthi iscreen sincane or isikhulu nje. No, it's iPhone 15, you know. So I was like, no, it's fine. But he said that when I'm taking my videos, the quality will be the same. But yeah, I just don't like it. And yeah, so I think I'm just gonna close off this vlog because tomorrow. Anyway guys, Ulubanzi needed my attention. Where was I? I was explaining about the phone. But yeah guys, I said that I will end this vlog and then start a new one for traveling. How I wish my son Oguhle can just grow up as well, because I feel like I do a lot of up and downs because of him. My mom doesn't want him to take a bus, or it's not safe. So it's either I fly down and get him, we fly back, or we drive down. If you've been here, you know that's what we've been doing. And at this point, I feel like it's exhausting. Sometimes I go down and I realize, but no, actually I'm tired, like I need a break, I can't travel back with him. But what I love about my son is that he'll understand. He'll be like, it's fine mom, as long I'm with you, as long I'm spending my holidays with you, you know. So he's that child, he understands so much. Good, no, sometimes in Katele I can't, can I just stay here with you? And if I have the energy, it's either we drive back or we fly back. So I niyathandaza uLubanzi no Okuhle bakhule because bangihlela. But anyway guys, another thing that I wanted to talk about is that some things will they'll take you out of your character, you know. And I pray that people who watch me, or the people who will discover my channel, they must understand that I'm human. One, as much as you think that I have a good heart, like a lot of people have been DMing me, although you have a good heart, please don't change. May nothing change the person that you are. And I receive those DMs well, and I appreciate. But I just feel like, can people understand that no matter umuntu anganenhliziyo kangakanani, umuntu uyakhathala. I'm human. I'm gonna reach a breaking point. I'm gonna reach a point where I'm like, this is it. I'm tired. I'm done. I've had enough. I'm human. And what I'll do or say when I'm in that state, that you might not like it because you don't know this Ongezo. And at this point, you're like, why are you saying these things? This is not you. No, this is me. I am angry. I am hurt. I'm upset. And this is the side of me that you don't know, because there's no need for me to show my subscribers that, we family, we vlog, we laugh about certain things. I cry, I vent to you guys. And I feel like I have a very, like, ndine community yamna guys ninthandayo and supportayo. And I saw that when I did that podcast with On Narrative Dal, I think it was last year, when a whole lot of people went there and they fought people there. I didn't even have to answer. Everyone was rude. I would just find someone sekaphenduliwe. And I've realized that I do have a community of my own, and I love and appreciate you guys, and may God continue to bring people abanenhliziyo enhle njengam, who are calm, who I would like to attract people abanjengam. But also I would like to ask you guys to please understand that I'm human. I might do things that you guys will not like. I don't know now, maybe in future. Talk to me privately and tell me with respect. Don't disrespect me. Tell me with respect, which is why everyone who tells me with respect about Indoga Lubanzi, Mama, we don't like what you are doing. Be careful, Lubanzi, seatbelts. There are people who are rude, and I'll just remove you. I'll remove the comment and I'll remove you from my channel. But there are people who've been disciplining me for the longest time, but they never tired of talking to me with respect, and I appreciate that. And I find myself apologizing in a video and say, I'm sorry, I'm really, really sorry guys, ningathi andimameli. You know why I do that? Because of the manner on approaching ngayo, nendlela onixelele ngayo ba hayi urongo kaloku ntombi kudala sukukhuza ngomntana. It's respect, hence I can come and apologize. You understand?
Mama.
So with everything that has been happening in the internet and stuff like that,
Mama.
I just feel like some things will take you out of character, and I want my people to give me grace sometimes when it looks like awenze kakuhle apha, and understand ukuthi nam I'm human. And I've reached the point where I'm like, you know what, ndidikiwe, like ndikhathele guys, singabantu. There is no person on a side eliyi-one elihle nje kuphela caba lo muntu akasoze yena abe nomsindo. No, nam ndinawo umsindo, ndingumuntu guys. So I just wanted to say that, so that I can end.
Baby.
So that people understand that guys, nam ndingumuntu, I'm human. And even if ezinye izinto ziyenzeka, may you guys understand that nam ndingumuntu and ndiyahetheka, and sometimes ndizozenza izinto endingazuzithanda or ndizithethe izinto endingazuzithanda, but may we correct each other with respect. Nana, stop it. Yo guys, it's actually time for me to, I don't remember where was I before I was rudely interrupted by Olubanzi. But yeah guys, can we close this chapter and move gracefully? And if I offended anyone and you felt like I was out of character, I'm sorry my love, I'm human. Such things happen, and please don't put me on a pedestal that Ongezo would never do this. I'm human, and such things do happen, and we all sometimes do get out of character because some situations force you to by now because but yeah, I would like to apologize and to my people, because I know there are people who really, really, truly love me and support me, and I respect the fact that you guys do call me out respectfully, and I do listen. Hence, I will always come and say, guys, I'm sorry, I'll sort out the casita thing or bandy. Guys, I'm sorry, I acted out of character, So, guys, let's close this. I'm tired. It's exhausting. It's emotionally draining. I'm over it. Can we just move? Next vlog, we're going home. and we're not addressing anything. We're not talking about, like, I'm just tired. It's emotionally draining and I'm over it. And yeah, thank you so much for the love and support. Really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, Yantanda kakhulu. I really do love you guys, because you guys do show me that you love me. In some situations, I really, really do know that I have a community, and I love that for myself. So thank you so much. And when I misbehave, please call me out. I don't have a problem, respectfully. And yeah, thank you guys. I will see you on my next one. I have my phone back. I have my phone back. 1 hour vlogs are coming. Yeah? Now I can yap and yap and yap and yap and yap. Love you guys. Kulungile, bye. See you guys when we are traveling and going home. And yeah, I hope I didn't yap a lot on this vlog, but I just needed to do the last part. So yeah, guys, love you lots. It's the fact that Sandy writing, Sandy happy. I don't know. Yeah, talking to you guys. You guys are my safe space. You're my safe space. I heal here. I vent. I do everything. And you know, love you lots. Bye.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, would you?